characteristic of living and non-living things. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe and feel. Non-living things do not breathe and feel. Living things have young ones. Non-living things do not have young ones. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not eat. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things have feelings. Non-living things do not feel. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things have young ones. Non-living things do not have young ones.